Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? This is Becky down here in Texas, Becky's Texas Woodshop. It's a beautiful day down here. I hate to brag for you folks that are struggling up north and different parts of the world, but we're grateful. We're grateful for what we have. So thank y'all for stopping by. I just got a little quick video today to do a little update, let people know what I've been doing and everything. I'm still kind of rolling on my high from being accepted into the Makers Media Network. It's to me, it's really an honor to be among those people that are so talented, so talented and helpful too. I've been making these little beer things or Coke, whatever your favorite beverage is. Made this one, outlined the Texas there. I got some touch up to do, and got the big powerful NICON battery on the back there. We're just fixing to put some epoxy on it and put that in. I got a few more over here that I've made. I think this black one here is almost my favorite, but and they all have the magnets on the back. Been making some of these little key holders, mail holder things. I've got some hooks I got ordered to put down here to be a little more antique looking, and I'm going to paint the state of Texas in this one right here, and just kind of leave them rough looking, put a little coat of spray poly on there or something. So I think that'll be all right. But other than that, it's been pretty quiet. I've been going through using my planer over here, my wind thickness planer. I'm getting used to it, and next video will probably be testing that thing out, showing you guys. But I just wanted to be real familiar with it and know what I'm doing, and I do really by now. I should have already made the video, but I'm trying to put out a few of these little things and see what I can do with them. I made a friend of mine an Adirondack chair. Came out real good, and she picked it up. So I just been piddling here at the shop, not really doing a whole lot, but straightening and fixing things and taking care of Parker, which I'm going to have to go get here in about an hour. But I just wanted to touch base with everybody and let everybody know I'm still hanging in there down here, and looking forward to really getting into some building now. The weather's starting to take a break on us, and so I appreciate everybody for stopping by. If you like, if you want to subscribe to my channel, I appreciate it. You can click that button at the bottom and ding the bell if you want to be notified whenever I do make a video. I'm going to try to get on a regular pattern to where I can put one a week out at least. My biggest thing is I'm trying to work on my editing and thing. I just use my camera, this little Samsung Note 5, and I have an iPad, and I just hadn't hit on a dadgum app that I can use that works good enough where I can edit my videos. But anyway, I'm working on it and still steady after it. So y'all have a good day, and God bless everybody, and be careful, take care, be safe. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.